Hi, and we're in Reflection 5 from the Spring kit from Nouveau Debut, and you're most welcome. And if you've discovered us via YouTube, you're most welcome too. I design kits and devotionals and stickers just to help people connect with God in a creative way. So what I'm just doing, I'll tell you what I'm doing, then we'll read the reading. I'm just putting different colours of acrylic paint onto just a piece of waste plastic so that I can throw it away at the end. A piece of paper packaging will do. And I'm just using a gift card, and I'm cutting it into a strip, and I'm cutting a wiggly edge on it, a random wiggly edge with a pair of ordinary scissors. And we're going to use my droplet stencil, my splash stencil today. And as you can see, mine's well used, and I'm really lazy and I don't clean them. Life's too short for cleaning. And I'm using again another gift card. If you bought the kit, you should have a green card in there that's got your washi tape around it. And I'm just spreading various shades of blue along the edge of my Bible. You could do this on paper, in a journal, or if you've got the kit, you can do it in the devotional booklet. I'm just adding little bits of blue acrylic just to make it look like water. So today's reading is from Isaiah 43, 18 to 19, and this is read from the NIV. Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. So I dried off my acrylic paint, and I've placed my stencil. I'm just a little bit of washi tape. Now when I film these videos, I'm actually spending time in the Word myself. So I'll either be listening to music, or I'll be reflecting on something that I've listened to, and I've tried to film everything in real time with these, so you see how I do it. And I've tried to keep it really, really simple, because sometimes my pages can be a little bit complicated. So I'm now just using it's just a makeup sponge, and I'm dabbing. I'm pouncing. That's the best way to describe it, with the paint and different colours on top of the stencil. I'm having a peep underneath to see what it looks like, and I'm happy with that. And the pot of water is just so that I can keep my sponges in there and them not go hard by the time I've finished. And I'm just drying it off. Now again, I've said before, if you haven't got a heat tool, use a hairdryer or let it air dry. And I do wonder this morning whether God is wanting to do a new thing in you today. This reading is a prophecy from Isaiah when the Israelites were in exile in Babylon, and they basically turned away from the Lord. And I wonder whether today God's saying, I'd love to do a new thing in you. And we all have our doubts. Today I've been a little bit wondering whether I need to continue on with what I'm doing with my Bible journaling business, or whether I need to try something different. And then you realise actually that you are listening to the voice of the evil one saying you're not good, you're not good enough. We are children of God, and we need to do what He's calling. So what I've done there is actually draw around the verse, and then that's the page done. So very nice and quick and simple this week. I hope you enjoy. Please like and share this video, and if you're watching it from a website, please go onto YouTube and like and share it. Happy Bible journaling.